this video, I'm going to show you how you can take data for a customer and use it to get all of the various variants of CLV as discussed in class. So again, the idea here is that if we know exactly what a customer is going to do, if we had a crystal ball that told us when that customer will make purchases in the future, then in theory we should all be able to agree on what CLV and other related terms are. And so, that's really the point of this exercise, is to kind of strip away the model. We'll deal with that later, but just align on definitions. And so again, the setup here is that we're going to work with a day unit of time. We're going to assume that we acquired this customer and now we're 180 days later, about 6 months later. We're going to assume that the firm's cost of capital is 12%, that the customer churns on day 360, that the company spent about $50 to acquire the customer, and that over the course of the customer's life, they made 5 purchases in total on these days with these spend amounts and this resulting variable profit. And so the question is, what, first off, is post-acquisition value and CLV? So I'm going to go time since birth. We have these cash flows over here. PAV and CLV are profit figures. So we're going to get the variable profit. We're going to get discount factors. We're going to use those and the variable profits to get the present value of the variable profit. We're then going to sum that up, and that gets us PAV. We then subtract off CAC, and that's going to get us CLV. So the first thing that we need is the daily discount rate. So I'm going to insert it over here, daily discount rate. The formula is 1 plus the annual discount rate raised to the 1 over 365 minus 1. And so we can see over here that is 0.031. And so now we can use this and say, all right, if I'm going to get this variable profit of $50 290 days from now, I'm going to discount it back using this discount factor raised to the power of 290. So I got my variable profits over here. My discount factors are going to be equal to 1 over 1 plus the daily discount rate raised to this power. So it's doing what we would expect it to do. The present value of the variable profit is just the variable profit times the discount factor. The PAV is the sum of these present values. We then subtract off CAC, and that gets us CLV. Yeah, just as simple as that.